my channel. If you're new here, this is Haitian Chocolate Beauty and welcome to this video. Now today's video, I am doing a makeup look inspired by this scarf that I'm going to wear. So if you're ready to see how I do this, stay tuned. I know you guys probably have questions about my hair. This is just something that I'm trying out for now, just to see how I do, you know, until I put it out there. Of course, I like to try things on camera, but I wanted to see what brand I wanted to try on camera because some brands don't even fit my head and they said it's one size fit all. And everybody knows that I got a big ass head, so. Some of these products that I'm gonna be using on my face are gonna be new. So let's go ahead and get started. For my primer, I'm gonna use the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Primer Moisturizer by Crease. I've never tried this before. They said it's lightweight, oil-free, water cream, prime skin for makeup. Oily in combination, normal, even sensitive. So it sounds good, so let's try it out. Remember your hands, if your hands aren't clean, don't use your hands to put on your primer. Especially if you're touching everything in here, use, I know I've been using my hands, but I've been trying to do better of remembering to not use my hands. Use a brush when you're putting on primer so that you keep your skin clean and not putting dirt right back in your skin after you touch something, so. Done with brows. I'm having an okay brow day. It seems like this one always wants to be curved, but this one always wants to be boxed. I don't understand how that happens, but we'll just keep it moving. I'm using the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel just to straighten out those lines. Now we're gonna move into the eyes. So I'm gonna prep my eyes using the same concealer that I use to clean my brows. And now I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Cosmetic Hydrating Camo Concealer. And now I'm gonna set my eyes using the original RCMA Makeup No Color Powder. Now I'm gonna go in the Box of Crayons palette and go on the shade Red right here. And I'm gonna put that in my crease. Now I'm gonna cut my crease using my e.l.f. Camouflage Concealer. All right, I'm done cutting my crease. Now I'm gonna use the same no color powder to set these eyes. And now I'm gonna use my Through My Eyes I Love Sarah Times ColourPop palette and go in Emerald Dream right here. And now I'm going into my Betty Bob times Ipsy Draw To You eyeliner in the shade Black. Foundation in the shade 5, and then I'm mixing that with the Dose of Colors, the Meet Your You foundation in the shade 135 Dark, putting these together. These foundations smell good together. Now I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. And I'm gonna put that here, here. Ooh. And now I'm gonna take Beauty Bakery Butternut Center pressed powder. And now I'm gonna use Mented Cosmetics bronzer Out of Office and sculpt these cheeks. Take a brush and brush this powder away. I'm going into Honor Roll highlighter by Crayon Case, and I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. Use Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner to draw these symbols in.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Right here. Those two symbols on my eye. And so that's why. I put my symbols in my eye. Just have to fix this one up a bit because I messed up on the dot. Now it looks like there's just black stuff over there. I don't like that. Now for under my eyes, I'm gonna put that white concealer under my eyes now. Okay, low-key, this powder is nice. Like, I'm looking at my face, it looks so seamless. Like, all my pores are gone. Like, maybe this combination ain't bad, you know? To my Moon Glow eyeshadow, this yellow, and I'm putting that under by Colourpop, and I'm also using this yellow right here also. I'm gonna use this lip pencil by Mented Cosmetics. I'm gonna use this lip gloss. All right, this lip gloss is a nice color. Highlight. Highlight. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Our bitch is shiny. If you guys don't know, I love highlight. And then I just go over the sponge to make it, to create like this aphrodescent highlight. Just blend it in. And you see, it still has a pack, but it still has a punch, but it just looks like it's in your skin or whatever. Oh my gosh, my nails, this hair, this makeup has me feeling myself, bruh. Last but not least, I'm gonna use the Beauty Bakery mascara. It's called Icing. in the shade black. Now I'm gonna take these rhinestones and put them on my eye. For being here with me and watching me create this look from my scarf. Let me know what you guys think down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe so we can create these looks together, so we can inspire each other, so we can grow our hair and learn how to cornrow together. If you didn't watch my video, I'll put it up here. I try to cornrow my hair. So, if you watch the video, then you'll know how it went. But thank you so much for being here with me. Remember, you're loved, you're appreciated, and you're beautiful. And you guys have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Bye.